Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been so long, and I feel like I say that every time I make a video. I'm like, it's been 3 months. Like, me uploading every 3 months is terrible. But college, especially getting a biology degree at any private college, is a lot of work. And usually I am in school all week, and then I work all weekend. So it gets to be a lot. But thankful for quarantine. I hope you all are doing okay out there. I know this has been a big struggle for a lot of people. I am able to film, which we're at the point now where quarantine is just about over, but I was still doing online school. So, and it really, online school is worse than school in person. So it was a lot. But I'm so thankful to be back with a really exciting video today. But before we get into it, two things. I know the hair is not looking real good right now, but I got it done at the beginning of March, and then the whole world shut down. So I have not been able to get my braids taken out, so ignore that. And two, if I get to a point in the video where I'm like panting, my air conditioning unit is currently broken right in the middle of Mississippi summer. So it is currently 79 degrees in my room, and it was at about 76, but I had to turn all the lights on in order to film, so it's really hot in here right now. So I'm gonna get into the video because it's hot, and like, I'm really excited also about the video today. So let's jump right into it. So based on the title, you guys already know what I'm unboxing today, and I thought I was gonna do like a turnaround view where I turn the camera around and actually show you like the box and opening and everything, but I feel like it's way more fun when you can see my reaction. So let's get the box. Okay, so I have reviewed Erin Condren planners on my YouTube channel before. I will link some videos down below. But I actually haven't used an Erin Condren planner in about over a year. I was doing the sticker thing, and it got to be a lot. I realized when your life gets busy, you don't even have time to sticker. You just have time to literally jot things down in your planner real quick and keep it pushing. So this one is similar to ones I used to get with when I used to sticker, but definitely not the same because I'm not stickering anymore. So I'm really excited. But just to preface, the past year I used a happy planner just because I enjoy for my planner to go from like July, August to, I like it to go from school year to school year instead of calendar year. It's just so much easier being in school because that's kind of how my brain works. My brain works from August to May, and then it's like a break, and then it goes August to May. That's, I mean, when you're in school, that's your life. So I had a happy planner. I enjoyed it, but there's nothing like an Erin Condren if you ask me. So sleek. I love the personalization of it. Happy planners are so much fun and so cute, and the price of an Erin Condren can be very pricey, but like, it's worth it if you ask me. So I'm really excited because I have not like gotten an Erin Condren package in like so long. So this is how it comes. It's always came in a really fun packaging. Now though, they have this design that is like the circle pattern. I don't even know, like, it does have a specific name, but I can't remember what the name of it is. But I just remember the last time I ordered an Erin Condren about a year and a half ago, the packaging was like longer and it was slimmer, where now it's like more thick and more like square like. So I don't know, I kind of like the old packaging more than I like this packaging, and like, it's still really pretty. But yeah, I know I like to like look at just the tiniest little things. Okay, so I'm so excited. Let's open this baby up. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best so you guys can see all of this. Okay. So the first thing that's kind of, I'm hoping you guys can see this on top, we have this right here. So I have not seen this in anybody's like unboxing yet. So, this is 20% off code. So excited. They always do that, which I'm so excited about because I always, like, use that. Again, I usually give it to my mom and she'll buy a planner, but she decided to do the monthly this year and she bought it in January. So, she might not want another one. But it just says, this theme of this year is layers. Hold on, let me cover this up. It says, a strong foundation is built upon infinite layers. So it just has like a really cool meaning. We will rebuild layer by layer stronger than before. I think the theme this year is beautiful. And that's the reason why I did not buy Erin Condren planner last year. Because I was going to. But I did not like the kaleidoscope theme. So that's the reason why I didn't end up getting one. But yeah, so I have not seen this in any unboxing video. This like big spreadsheet thing, which is really cool. Like, this is how they get you. Like, now I want more things. I love that. So it's basically talking about magnetic bookmarks, wet erase desk stands. Then I think, okay, this is their Wonder Woman collection. Really cool. And then on the back, we have, and I'll definitely actually go through and read all of this because I find it to be very interesting. I think it's talking about like the kind of paper they use, things they do for the community. So I love that. It's like a little like newspaper, Erin Condren newspaper. That's really cool. Okay, so I'm getting excited. I just remembered I also had 2 freebies because I ordered like midday on launch day. So let's look at this first freebie that's up at the top. I know I was supposed to get a second freebie. I don't know. We'll dive into it. So this is the Petite Journal. This is in the Layers Neutral, and it includes 80 productivity pages. What I love about this, like Erin Condren, is that no matter how many videos I watch, when you get it in person, there's nothing like just seeing it in person. Oh my gosh. So nice. So beautiful. Oh yes. This is going to be perfect for next school year. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love it. 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 Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So that's the Petite Journal. Oh no, did I show you guys the inside of it? And it's just got lines, and then on the side it's just got like a little to-do list on each page, and they also like change colors as you go like further into the book. Oh, I love that. And that was one of my freebies. Okay, so the planners, because I've watched the videos, okay, I see my other freebie, now come in like this really cool box, planner box, that you can, and I was reading about it, you can store this on your shelf, like at the end of the year when you're done with it, you can put the planner back in here and store it on your shelf as if it's a book, which I think is genius. Obviously, the last time I was buying Erin Condren planners, they just started that last year, so the last time I bought one, it did not include this. So I'm going to put that to the side. So that's the most exciting part. Let's look at the other freebie. So, here's the other freebie. It's basically just like a planning pouch. If I'm being honest, it kind of looks sturdy. Layers of organization clutch. I mean, it's definitely cool, but ooh, that looks dirty. Okay, that's the way it looks. Does it look really dirty to you guys? I don't know. I don't know. Probably just been like sitting in a warehouse for a long time. I have to sanitize that. Do not want COVID. Okay, so I'm gonna take my box, put it over to the side. Okay, now for the big reveal, the planner. Okay. I have not seen it, so I'm so excited. I hope I like the design. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, it's on the other side. Oh my god! I'm so excited because sometimes they'll end up like getting your personalization wrong. Okay, I did ask for gold coil. This was the one I wanted. My name is printed correctly. Oh my gosh. It's so exciting. Okay, so first, we have the classic Erin Condren ruler that comes with every life planner. And I heard that they make it way nicer now. Oh yeah, that is really nice. Like they used to make one that was like a hard acrylic and it would get scratched up. Like my mom's got scratched up really bad, and sometimes they would even break if you're not careful. So this one is so much nicer. Okay, so I chose this cool, I think it was like Oh Joy times Erin Condren. That was the kind of planner that I chose. And then I decided to get the gold coil. It's really pretty, but it looks more muted in person than I thought it was, the gold coil, but it's still very beautiful. Oh, okay. So, coming inside of it, oh my goodness, I have like 20% off codes now. That is amazing. That is amazing. Wish I had had that when I ordered it the first time, but it's okay. So, I don't want to show you guys the 20% off code because I want to use it myself. Alright, I forgot where it is. Okay, so this tells you what's in this little pack. So, circle label, compliment cards, gift label, friends and family discount. So excited. So excited. Okay, so this is my discount. Yeah, this is my discount. So, I probably will give this to a friend or my mom. Let's see, offer expires 4/30/2021. Perfect. Woo, you guys. We're getting hot. It's hot in here. Okay. Then we have the compliment cards. I never really use these. Kind of keep them in the back of my planner. I'm so proud of you. Your potential is endless. And then, okay, I was watching somebody's video, and I thought this was so cool. So this is like a little circle sticker. So on the box that holds your planner, if you want to know, once you're done with your planner, you can stick it on the box and put Erin Condren Life Planner 2020-2021. And when you stick it on your shelf, you'll know which planner it is. I think that is so cool. I'm really excited to stick that on the box so whenever I store it, which will be in a year from now, but still. And then, of course, you get the little stickers. Just a little something from if you're giving a gift to somebody. Okay. We've made it to the planner. Let's open this baby up. So I was really scared the font that I choose wasn't going to match the planner, but it matches perfectly. So I got Layers Neutral. And I got, as you can see, the hourly layout, which means they got everything perfect. It smells like a regular Erin Condren. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the monthly layouts on the new Erin Condrens. So you have that. And then here's the dashboard. And a ton of people are happy about the fact that it doesn't have all the writings up here anymore. You can kind of do what you want to do with it, which is exciting, but then sometimes it also makes me what am I going to put there? And then day by day, we have from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m., which is funny because as a college student, my day definitely does not end at 7 p.m. It goes until 11 o'clock, but it's fine. So there is your time slots. I'm so excited. I've never used an hourly before, but I think it's going to be really good for me. And then basically, what I just showed you repeats until we get to the back. We have notes pages. Okay, so here's the sticker section. So, woo, so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, so pretty. Look at all those. That's what I love about this planner. I don't even have to buy excess stickers if I don't really want to. Obviously because I don't stick as much anymore. Also, somebody showed that these fit perfectly within the hourly section in the slots that say 6 a.m. Apparently these fit perfectly within there. So I'm so excited to use that. Then we just get to the pocket in the back, and usually they have a perpetual calendar in here, which I'm sure that's what this is. So yes, plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. This is just the new Erin Condren perpetual calendar. which these are dates that are supposed to occur every year, even though I have like, what, 2, 3 of these now. That's how many Erin Condrens I've had. Yeah, I'm just like so excited. I'm so excited. And of course in the back still got the regular dashboard and then clothes. I am so excited to be back a part of the Erin Condren family, and I'm so excited to be back filming again. So excited to dive into all of these products. I love my new planner. I can't wait to start planning for, when does this start? July, which is my birthday month. So super duper excited to get back into the Erin Condren world. Happy planner, I loved you. To me, there's nothing like a good Erin Condren. Like, ugh, the smell of it, so familiar, so weird, but so familiar. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have some more exciting videos coming because I've done a lot of shopping in quarantine. Like, I'm saving money because I'm eating in, but then I'm not like making any extra or keeping any extra in my pocket because online shopping is killing me. Obviously, I bought this like $75 Erin Condren planner and then just a lot of other things. But I'm really excited. So I'm going to stop this video here because it is so hot. These lights are so hot and it's 79 degrees in here. I need to cool this room back down. So if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Like, subscribe, do all of those things, and I have a really exciting video coming for you guys next week that is like dreams, guys, dreams. So you're gonna want to stick around. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.